Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a 2D ghost with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin the ghost with a 2x8 brick. I'm going to place a set of 2x3 bricks right in the center. I'm going to take a 2x8 brick. I'm going to place a 2x4 brick right here where it's sticking out by a set of studs. I'm going to make two of these and place these in the 1x2 reveals. This is going to be the base. On the left, I'm going to skip a set of studs. Place a 2x2 brick, followed by a 2x4 brick, set that right there. I'm going to lock all these joints together with a 2x8 brick, and proceed on with a 2x4 and 2x2 bricks for the third row. For the fourth row, we're going to go in by a set of studs, place down a pair of 2x4 bricks right in the center, a 2x2 brick, and a pair of 2x4 bricks. Then right on the top, a 2x2 brick followed by a 2x4 brick, a set of 2x3 bricks right here, 2x4 brick, and a 2x2 brick to complete the fifth row. Back on the left, a pair of 2x4 bricks right in the center, a 2x2 brick followed by set of 2x4 bricks. For the seventh row, a 2x2 brick followed by a 2x4 brick. Then we're going to set down a pair of 2x3 bricks followed by a 2x4, 2x2 bricks right here. Back on the left, I'm going to skip a set of studs, set down a 2x2 brick followed by several 2x4 bricks. And we're going to finish up this area with a 2x2 brick right here. For the ninth row, 4 2x4 bricks to wrap this level up. For the 10th row, start with a 2x2 brick followed by 3 2x4 bricks and a 2x2 brick on the right hand side. And to finish up the 11th row, 4 2x4 bricks, and yes, these are different colors. Some of these bricks are pretty old. Back on the left, I'm going to go in by a set of studs, set down a 2x2 brick, followed by a 2x4 brick, 2x2 brick, 2x4, and 2x2 bricks right here. Back on the left, 2x4 brick, followed by a set of 2x3 bricks and a 2x4 brick right here. Back on the left, a 2x2 brick, followed by a 2x4 brick. Place a 2x2 brick right in the center, and 2x4 and 2x2 bricks on the right-hand side. Okay, back on the left, I'm going to start with a 2x3 brick right here. Then I'm going to take a 1x1 brick, place this right here, followed by a 1x1 brick with one stud. These are going to be used to attach our eyes to the ghost. Then right in the center, a 2x4 brick. Same thing over here with a 1x1 brick and a 1x1 brick with one stud. I'm going to wrap this up here with a 2x3 brick. Make sure you have a stud reveal on both sides. Then right here, 2x2 brick, followed by a pair of 2x4 bricks. Something's running away here. Maybe the ghost is hiding the 2x2 brick that's supposed to go on the right-hand side. Back on the left, I'm going to skip a set of studs, place down a 2x4, 2x2, and 2x4 bricks right on this row. And to finish up the top, skip a set of studs and set down a set of 2x4 bricks. So I'm going to place the last 2x4 brick right in the center. And of course, usually the top one's always the hardest. So this is what our ghost is supposed to look like. And of course, you can just lay this down on a flat surface and squish everything together. And we're missing some eyes here. Now, of course, you could leave it like this, but I'm going to use some 1x1 round flat tiles and set these right in the center to complete our brick ghost.